Are you searching for the best wireless video transmission system? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best wireless video transmission system in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 200-meter wireless extender. 1, 2, 3, 4 screen share 250-meter wireless HDMI video transmitter and receiver. This wireless extender is our exclusive new product. It built-in wireless transmission protocol. It can transmit HD audio-video signals without cables between the transmitter and receiver. It saves the cost of HD cables and no wiring. More neat and beautiful. It's widely used for cameras, live streaming, for video conferencing, business speech, education training, online learning, home theater, etc. scenes. 1 to multi-mode. This product support 1 to multi-mode means one transmitter can work with 1/2, 3, or 4 receivers at the same time. Multiple screens can be shared simultaneously. HD local output. The TX with HDMI output port can local pass through the video source, such as if you use 1 to 2 mode, you can connect 3 monitors at the same time. Wireless transmission. No Wi-Fi required. The transmitter and receiver built-in wireless transmission protocol. No home Wi-Fi required, no apps required. Pair and work, so easy. 200 meters long distance. Under 1-to-1 mode, in a barrier-free open space, the transmission distance can up to 200 meters. With the increase of RX, or barriers, the transmission distance will be shortened accordingly. We advise you use it in a barrier-free space. The final distance shall be subject to the actual use. With IR function. This function only works under 1TX to 1RX mode. You can remotely control the video source or display monitor with your own according remote control. Plug and play. We have paired well when shipped, it plugs and play. If need to pair again, just refer to the user guide. Very easy. Highly compatible. Compatible with most HDMI compatible devices such as TX Connect to DVR, DVD set-top box, PS3, 4F, Xbox computer, camera, etc. HD video source devices, RX connected TV, monitor, projector, etc. HDMI compatible display devices.